Well, folks, we've finally done it. We've surpassed Femboy Physics in subscribers. To celebrate, I'm immediately selling out as a Minecraft programmer. Now, if you've been a long-time viewer, you'll know that we're actually all about Minecraft here on the Junferno channel, which is why it should come as no surprise that I've gotten countless requests to play Bad Apple on Minecraft. This is perhaps also due to my comment section's incredible originality. There isn't much to be said about the code behind playing Bad Apple in Minecraft, as Minecraft's countless community-built APIs make modifying Minecraft practically trivial. API, of course, stands for Application Programming Interface, which is basically an interface that allows you to program on the application. The only two downsides of programming with Minecraft Java are A, it is Minecraft, and B, it is Java. Nonetheless, there always seems to be something that hasn't been done in Minecraft yet. Bad Apple isn't one of them, but let's go ahead and do it anyway. So, without further ado, here is Bad Apple in Minecraft. It doesn't seem to be working. Oh hey, it's Twister from Smash Bros.